My dear students, I am going to explain you what is destructive interference. When you find that light waves from two coherent sources are superimposing in such a way that the crest of one falls on the trough of the other and the crest falls on the trough. In that case, what do you find? The resultant amplitude is 0, and in that case the resultant intensity becomes 0. And so when the resultant intensity becomes 0, we say that light added to light produces darkness. Okay, so light added to light produces darkness. This is only called destructive interference. So in this case you found that there is two coherent sources and they are at an instant, at a point of time, at a particular point, they are superimposing, and in that case you find that the crest of one wave falls on the trough of the other and the trough falls on the crest. So in that case the amplitude of the resultant wave is 0 and the resultant intensity becomes 0, and so light added to light is darkness, and this is only called this is only called destructive interference. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.